China's 2026 military modernization continues to shake the global defense landscape. Among the most interesting pieces of equipment in China's growing precision strike arsenal is the KD-63 air-to-surface cruise missile, also known as KD-63. Though originally developed decades ago, this missile is undergoing major upgrades in 2026, transforming it into a smarter, faster, and more precise long-range weapon. The journey of this missile begins with a very simple idea: give Chinese aircraft the ability to strike high-value ground and ship targets from a safe distance, without ever entering enemy air defense zones. Before the KD-63 existed, Chinese bombers and fighter aircraft relied mostly on unguided bombs. These required pilots to fly dangerously close to enemy defenses. China realized that modern warfare demands distance, stealth, and precision. Enter the KD-63. Designed as a standoff cruise missile, the KD-63 gives Chinese aircraft the ability to hit targets located far behind enemy lines. Instead of flying into danger, the aircraft can launch the missile from a safe distance, turn away, and leave the rest to the missile's onboard guidance and navigation systems. The KD-63 is launched mainly from China's H-6 bombers, which can carry multiple missiles at once. In some upgraded versions, modified fighter aircraft such as the JH-7A can also deploy it. Early versions of this missile used a combination of TV guidance and inertial navigation, which required a pilot to lock onto the target visually. It was effective, but not perfect. China wanted more, and that leads us straight into the year 2026, where a new upgraded version emerges. The 2026 upgraded KD-63 brings three major improvements. The first upgrade is advanced guidance and targeting technology. Instead of relying on older video-based guidance, the 2026 version incorporates imaging infrared seekers, satellite-assisted navigation, and improved data link integration. That means the missile can track, analyze, and readjust its flight path mid-air. The newer version is designed to strike moving ships, not just stationary ground targets. The second major upgrade is extended range. Original KD-63 range was estimated around 150 to 200 kilometers, but the 2026 version reportedly extends that range further. This longer range lets China carry out strikes without putting its aircraft anywhere near enemy surface-to-air missile systems. Modern warfare is no longer about who gets close. It's about who can attack from farthest away, while staying hidden. The third upgrade is precision strike capability. The 2026 KD-63 is believed to use an improved warhead with higher efficiency against hardened structures like radar installations, strategic bunkers, and command centers. Some defense analysts claim that the newer KD-63 could even be part of China's anti-access area denial strategy, allowing Chinese forces to keep rival navies away from contested maritime zones. And here's something that makes this missile truly noteworthy: its flexibility. The KD-63 can be used in three major mission types. First, deep strike missions. The missile can target radar sites, fuel depots, and air bases deep inland. Second, anti-ship missions. The upgraded seeker allows it to follow and hit moving ships. It gives China more control over waters like the South China Sea. Third, suppression of enemy air defenses. The missile can be used to eliminate enemy air defense radars and missile batteries, opening a safe corridor for larger operations. This means that China's older H-6 bombers, which were once seen as outdated, suddenly gain a new role in modern warfare, acting as cruise missile carriers. With multiple KD-63 missiles mounted, a single bomber becomes capable of launching precision strikes on multiple targets across a wide battlefield. When we compare KD-63 to missiles from other countries, we see something interesting. The U.S. uses missiles like AGM-84 SLAM-ER and AGM-158 JASSM, both highly advanced cruise missiles. The KD-63 falls closer to the SLAM-ER category, not as stealthy as JASSM, but still highly capable, especially with its upgraded guidance system. The 2026 KD-63 upgrade boosts China's long-range strike capabilities in a big way. It supports China's strategy of denying enemy aircraft and naval forces the ability to operate freely near China's borders. Instead of building completely new bombers or fighters, China is upgrading weapons to extend the usefulness and power of existing aircraft. The KD-63 plays an important role in China's larger military doctrine. China's aim is clear: create layered defensive zones in which adversaries find it nearly impossible to operate. In simple terms, if an enemy approaches, China wants them to be targeted long before they get close. And this is where the KD-63 becomes a key part of the system. With long-range missiles on the H-6, China can strike first. In modern military strategy, striking first is often the difference between losing and controlling the battlefield. The missile ABE's evolution also tells us something bigger. China isn't trying to match past technology. They are pushing forward, improving guidance systems, increasing firing range, and expanding the types of platforms the missile can be launched from. The KD-63 upgrade shows how fast China adapts technology to new combat requirements. In the end, what makes the 2026 KD-63 so important is not just its range or its warhead. It's the strategic shift it represents. Instead of focusing only on numbers, China is now focusing on smart weapons, guided missiles, and electronic warfare capability. The future of warfare belongs to whoever sees the target first, reaches the target first, and strikes with precision. The upgraded KD-63 brings China one step closer to that future.